Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to change your username or display name in the Rednote app. If you are new in this app and you don't know how to change this, so you are at the right video. So let's begin the video. Here open the Rednote app first and now tap on the me icon that is at the top at the bottom bar. Now you will see a profile. Here you will see the edit profile option. Tap on it. And now tap on the name option. Here change the username according to your desire. And after you type, tap on the confirm option to change your username. So that's how you can change your username in the Rednote app very easily. And if this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.